Hey, have you ever wondered why inverse trigonometric functions are so important in solving problems?
Yeah, defined as find angles when we already know the sine, cosine, or tangent values. It's like working backward to get the missing piece of a triangle.
Exactly. So, let's say we have a right triangle, and we know the opposite side and the hypotenuse. How do we find the angle?
That's where inverse sine or arc sine comes in. If we set the equation using SOHCAHTOA, we can take the inverse sine of the ratio to get the angle.
Right, but there's something tricky. How about the inverse function? Remember how the function must pass the horizontal line test? Have an inverse?
Oh yeah, the sine function is not one to one over all the numbers. So we have to restrict its domain from negative pi over 2 to pi over 2, and to make sure inverse sine a function.
Same goes for inverse cosine and inverse tangent. Inverse cosine is defined on 0 and pi, while inverse tangent is on negative pi over 2 and positive pi over 2.
I get it. The way ensure that for every output of the inverse function, there is the only one valid of input.
Exactly. And did you know that inverse trigonometric functions don't work like reciprocals?
Oh yeah, people sometimes confuse the sine inverse x with 1 over sine x, but they're totally different. The first one is arc sine, and the second one is cosecant.
Good catch. Now let's try this one. What's the inverse cosine of negative 1 half?
That's, that means we're looking for an angle where cosine theta equals negative 1 half. And the valid range of inverse cosine theta is 0 and pi. That must be 2 pi over 3.
Nice. Now, how about the inverse tangent of pi over 3?
We need an angle where tangent theta equals root 3. The only common angle where sine over cosine gives root 3 is pi over 3.
Exactly. So inverse trigonometric function help us to find missing angles, but we have to respect the restrictive domain and remember they're not reciprocals. Just make sure it's in radian mode before hitting the inverse function buttons.
Noted. This makes trigonometry clearer now.